let's talk about maximum profits in the module 13 of this preview of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. It's in the preview of exactly what you'll be getting yourself into when you're part of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp module 13. So if you're not part of this already, you want to learn how to maximize your profits, make money online, really expand your business, click on that link below. We can get started, and then when you sign up, tell your advisor you want the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this review of maximizing profits, how to follow up and get those conversions that you always wanted to. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more edutainment things that's going to help you move your business forward in 2021 and move your life forward in 2021. So let's go ahead and dive into this content. Now, right on this page here is talking about following up with maximum profits. This video, this training here is so important once you start making sales, when you start getting traction in your business, because you don't want to get the same exact sales all the time. You want to be able to maximize those profits as well. And I'm not going to play the video. I'm just going to show you just a little bit of information, the little slideshows here, the goals and things like that. Like the goals provide value to attendees by build that goodwill bank. Yeah, absolutely. You want to build that bank. So I just want to show you a preview of what the video, the training is all about. And because I want you to go ahead and be a part of this Profit Boosting Bootcamp movement in 2021. Now, following up with maximum profits is so important. I'm telling you, because you want to get to the next level. When you start something, yes, you want to start slow. You want to start at a pace. But at some point, you want to go ahead and get those profits higher. And this training is all about goal setting, taking action, and really keying in and dialing in on maximizing those profits and the conversions, taking those leads to sales and taking those sales to even higher profit sales. Absolutely. So watch this hour training. It's really important if you want to learn how to maximize your profits, make more money online from home. Now, this next one here, it says complete the module review sheet form like you do on every single preview, every single training, I should say. You always want to go ahead and fill out this information of your biggest takeaway. Now, the biggest takeaway is going to be module 13, and it's going to be from this whole video training right here. You'll discover how to follow up for maximum profits and conversions, following up with your prospects, what to say, what not to say, and then learn from it. Now you may want to watch this a few times, because the first time you watch it, you may not understand the follow-up mechanism, or you may not understand exactly what the training is telling you about. But after you watch it once or twice, fill out this information here, make sure you have your right email address, and then your biggest takeaway you got from module 13, and then submit this information. Your advisor will review this and then give you information about what you need to do next. Now, don't really overthink this process. Don't overthink it, because we all want to be able to maximize profits. Don't think that, oh, you know what, I haven't got a sale yet. Or you know what, I'm not able to maximize profits because I don't have everything, in the right order. Don't worry about it. That's why you need to watch this video a few times. If you haven't yet, you probably need to watch all these reviews that I'm doing here, all these previews that I'm doing here, to make sure you understand it correctly. But click on the link below to get started, though. The biggest thing is getting started. It's not when you start, it's you need to start today. It's not where you start, it's like when you start today. So start today. This is the review of module 13. I really like this module 13 because I want to learn how to maximize profits, and I want you to go ahead and do that as well today. So click on the link below to get started with the Profit Boosting Bootcamp, and I'll see you on module 14 in this review. I can't wait, but I want to see you in the Profit Boosting Bootcamp today.